Welcome to Speak Mentorship, where we support, prepare, and empower aspiring kids. At Speak Mentorship, we envision a more diverse future workforce with more women of all backgrounds in positions of power across career fields. Who do we work with? Our mentoring program matches high school girls from immigrant and first-generation American families to 3 different mentors throughout the school year. The mentors we select are women that are professionals who have at least 2 years of experience in their career field. How does it work? Mentors and mentees meet for 9 sessions in total, 1 session per week, for approximately 45 minutes during the girls' lunch or extracurricular class period. The mentoring sessions are conducted via video conferencing, so you can be located anywhere you have internet access. Mentors receive training and a mentoring curriculum so they are prepared for their sessions. How do we match you with your mentee? Our mentees provide us with a list of careers they are interested in so that we can match them with mentors in similar professions and give them the chance to learn more about that field. As a secondary level of matching, we try to match mentees with mentors from similar cultures so they can connect with a role model who better understands their cultural background. However, we also match mentees with mentors from different backgrounds to give them a cross-cultural experience they can learn from. How can you get involved? You can visit our mentor page at speakmentorship.org for more information on how to apply. At Speak Mentorship, we believe when you empower a girl, you empower the world. Join us today.